everyone. My name is Diego Ramirez. I have been working with the California Community College's Tech Task Force and identifying what available technology is out there for us to utilize in our settings. So we at Santa Barbara City College have identified Bridge Athletics as our platform to prescribe a program to our students and student athletes. So I'm just going to take you a quick brief overview on how the bridge works from the coaching standpoint. So on the team, the dashboard here, teams, these are your classes and or athletic teams that you currently have. You can add teams. Right underneath, these are all your students that you currently have. I can see them all and which team and or class they're assigned to. So if I was to click on all of them, I get to see that some of them have Vaquero, baseball, other ones have LFC. So that's where you would get to see them. It's very easy to upload rosters, so you don't have to add each individual student athlete there. The library is right where you would house and get your programs started from scratch. So we'll click on that. We'll go through it. Um, in this page here, you have your programs, your faces, your workouts, your blocks, and your exercises. Um, the exercises themselves are all the ones that have been preloaded by Bridge Athletics, but there's also an opportunity for you as the instructor to upload your own media. Blocks are pre-selected ones that you currently either have as templates and or ones that Exos, which has partnered with Bridge Athletics, has created. The workouts, max strength, and there's a bunch of different ones that you can utilize already from the get-go. Phases, depending on what phase, what program you're prescribing. As you can see, Exos has a bunch, and see here. Now we go into the programs here, and programs. You can either do all the programs or select the ones that you've created. So for this purposes, we're going to select KD so I can show you really quickly how that looks. And here is where you would, this is day one, week 1 of 1. You can add days here. You can clone the week, delete the week, add another week. So, and you can keep working. So on the workout name, you just double click and put workout 1. Boom. The warm up, here's the warm up if you expand it. If you wanted to clone this block, delete block. So this would be considered one block. The warm up would be considered one block. If you wanted to change the exercise, clone the exercise, you can do so here. The strength, same deal. So we have push-ups for 30 seconds. And if I wanted to change that exercise and I want them to do bench press, I can do that there, and it will upload all the bench pressing videos or exercises. And I wanted to, if you want to check out how the dumbbell presses, there it is. That will be sent to, added to your training program. So let's see here. Here you can, within the exercise, you can actually change the parameters, reps, through all these different categories here that you can do. So in my case, I created 1 for reps, and the student can actually put in how many reps they did during that time that was prescribed to them. Exit out of here. This would be a superset here. That little symbol means this is a superset. Strength 2. There's barbell deadlift. There's 3 exercises here. There's you can start from scratch. This is pretty much kind of think about it like an Excel spreadsheet, and you can just start popping, adding exercises there and group them together, separate them, build how many reps, sets, all that good stuff. So we go back to the library, or actually to home. I'm going to click on LFC. So that would be one class, right? So if I was to go in there, then I get to see my class and how many their attendance for accountability purposes, how many workouts they've done, and on the right hand side, this was a pretty cool thing here that Bridge has. This is the Teams messages. So the athlete's room, this is where the athlete and or student sends you media, text, or pictures of them completing the exercise, or if they have a question about the exercise, you want to check form, this is where they will do it. So here, Sandrine, send me a video of her completing this exercise and send me some comments here as well. I said, great job, Sandrine, keep it up, which is pretty awesome. Coach's room, you can also do and interact with your other coaches that are or instructors that are assigned to that class or team. Down at the leaderboards, you can disable this or you have it there. Training programs are currently assigned to the LFC are right here, and then the assessments. So as you could see, there's a performance log that every individual fills out at the beginning of each of their training days. And between a 1 and a 10, they select overall, soreness, quality of sleep, hydration, nutrition, stress, and hours of sleep, which is something that is critical, especially during these times that students are on their own and they kind of need some guidance. And you get to see that. And if you see a trend that somebody's constantly lack of sleep or stress is it's high, then we can reach out to them. Post-workout, so the last time she did a workout, she rated herself 7 out of 10 on the RPE scale, and it was a 23-minute workout. You can edit it here or you can delete it. There's a bunch of different things that you can do. Bridge Athletics has a numerous amounts of videos. It's called the Bridge Academy, where you can learn more about their programs. But we feel that this program allows you to do what you've already been doing, but gives you the tools, the technology tools that are available to capture more students and help out more individuals in the long run. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. D.A. Ramirez, number 2 at pipeline.sbcc.edu. Thank you very much for your time and have a wonderful day.